I am Mark Blanchette, VP of Business Technology and Data Management at Seacoast Bank. Seacoast Bank has been around 90 years. Seacoast provides a number of financial services, checking, deposits, and wealth services to the communities throughout Florida. One of the main challenges is that business users could not interact with the data, so they were left with static reports. Data virtualization was a key component of our logical data warehouse solution. Without data virtualization, we would have had to use maybe more traditional means. So we were able to deliver a solution to the business users in considerably less time than it would have using traditional methods. The other advantage of data virtualization is that we were then able to combine sources of data that may not have physically resided in the same type of technology, such as SQL Server or MySQL. And as long as there was some common denominator to tie that data together, then we were able to do that. With the Denodo Platform, we were able to accelerate business self-service so they can more easily get to the data in real time. And to be able to then combine that with data that may not necessarily been on-premise, but in hosted environments as well. The primary users are operation leads, department managers, and their direct reports. So really knowledge workers throughout the organization. So this solution will ultimately replace 300 or 400 operational reports that are fairly static in nature, and we believe that through this platform, we can eliminate those 300 or 400 reports and then combine them to more dynamic reports that address the same needs in terms of information. So we did a formal POC looking at different vendors, and having gone through this POC, the Denodo Platform turned out to be the best solution in terms of administration, ease of use. I had to be very cognizant of the fact that I had a small group, so I could not have a tool in place that would require a lot of heavy lifting in terms of administration. Looking down the various points of our proof of concept, it met all the criteria that we use to evaluate whether a solution would work for us or not. There is kind of a long laundry list of other sources of data that users would like to get their hands on for analysis. So the first phase of the project was to look at the majority of the data that would provide value, and then we're looking at other sources of data that we were going to incorporate into the logical data warehouse.